guys doing alright tonight?
My life is that hard.
Like I care. I think I'm just supposed to say that shit. Sketch your record's insane.
Yeah!
Where's the ATD? I know he's not here, but maybe he can hear me. ATD, you did it again! I might throw up on the front row. Y'all have been warned.
Not on me.
It's difficult to recall so many dialects so long in isolation.
I ate my twin in the womb! Different taste, bigger appetite, natural sacrifice. Now I'm homesick and marooned. Alone I can't navigate my path at night. I stuck my head in the oven for a fever and I hope that gas done. Pokify pasta. I stuck my head in the oven for a breather and I changed my mind but I stayed inside. I'm Frontalis, me and my stone palace, with no outlets or throne to challenge. I'm so callous, me and my stone palace. I'm not a coward, I'm withdrawn. Me and my stone palace, with no outlets or throne to challenge. I'm so callous, me and my stone palace. I'm throwing balance at the walls. I fill my own chalice and it's on me. If I happen to spill ounces upon gallons upon the ground of my own, I've lost my balance. The tense bones are the loudest. It's time to ground another loaf. I'll probably find my way without an ounce this fucking oath. But I smell the blood of a coward and a poacher. So for now I got a prowler and choker. Drowning my paranoia. Self-sufficient, sufficiently selfish. I'm the freshest and the sickest of the eldest. I ate my twin sister in her second trimester, and I thought I'll overtrick someone's stomach. Help, I've grown callous, me and my stone palace, with no outlets or throne to challenge you. I'm so callous, me and my stone palace. I'm not a coward, I'm withdrawn. Me and my stone palace, with no outlets or throne to challenge you. I'm so callous, me and my stone palace. I'm throwing balance at the walls.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, wait till Sketchy gets up here. I'm angry. Alright, good.